Mistakes that kill your YouTube growth, and you don't even realize it. If YouTube isn't pushing your videos, there's a high chance you're making these deadly mistakes. Mistake number 1. Bad hook. If your first 3 seconds don't grab attention, YouTube stops recommending your video. The algorithm tracks how long viewers stay. Hook fast or lose fast. Mistake number 2. No clear value. If your video doesn't answer, "Why should I care?" viewers will leave. Fast. People scroll for value, not just vibes. No value equals no retention, equals no growth. Mistake number 3. Weak thumbnail and title. If people don't click, YouTube won't push. Your title and thumbnail are 80% of your success. Make them impossible to ignore. Mistake number 4. Low watch time. The algorithm loves videos that keep people watching. If most viewers leave early, you're telling YouTube, "Hey, my content's not worth it." Fix your pacing, scripting, and editing. Mistake number 5. Inconsistency. Posting once a month? That's not enough. YouTube promotes creators who show up regularly. At least once a week builds momentum and trust. Fix these mistakes, and you'll see a real difference.